Hello everyone, I'm Samuel from the Craftable PRO team. In the previous video I showed you a demo of Craftable PRO and drew you into this course. Now I will guide you through the first steps with Craftable PRO, preparing an empty admin panel so you'll be ready to start developing. So let me start by sharing my screen. Our first step is to create a fresh Laravel project. Let's check the Laravel documentation. I assume you all have PHP and Composer installed on your machines. If not, just follow the instructions in the Laravel documentation. Let's proceed by opening your favorite terminal and typing the command to initiate an empty Laravel project. The project can be called the Training Backend app. Now we need to wait for the installation to finish. And it's done. Laravel 11 comes with SQLite as the default database driver. However, to fully support Craftable PRO features, it is best to choose Postgres or MySQL as an alternative. Fortunately, Laravel includes Sail, a tool built on Docker, which makes using Postgres very easy. You can use other methods to create your local environment, for example Laravel herd. In my case, I will use Sail and initiate it with the command php artisan sail install. I will choose Postgres as my database engine. Now, I can start Sail with the command sail up-d. If you are using an older version of Laravel or Sail, you may need to manually override the database settings in the .env file. Now we have an empty Laravel project ready and we can access it at the address localhost. Oops, we must not forget to run the migrations again because we've changed the database engine. Now, after the reload, we can see an empty Laravel project. For now, there is really not much to see. Let's continue with the installation of Craftable PRO. The entire installation process is documented in the Craftable PRO docs. You can find it at docs.craftable.pro. As you can see, the first step is to buy a license. If you haven't done so yet, don't worry, just pause the video and I will wait. After we have obtained the license key, we can continue with the installation. Go back to your terminal and add the Craftable PRO private repository to your project by calling this command. After that, we should be able to add the package to our project using the composer require command. You will be prompted to enter your email and password. The password is your license key. So I will type my email address and paste the license key. Now we need to wait until all the packages have been installed. The next step is to install Craftable PRO into your project. This command will publish assets, basic database migrations, core Craftable PRO modules, in short, everything you need to start using Craftable PRO right away. So, let me paste it into the terminal. We don't need a request logger for now. This command also creates an administrator with the default password. Be sure to copy it, as we will need it later. We must not forget to run npm install to install front-end packages, but let me clear my console first. Now we need to wait for JavaScript packages to install. Now, let's build our assets using npm run Craftable PRO build. Or, if you want to take advantage of hot module replacement, you can use dev mode. npm run Craftable PRO dev. Finally, we can leave the terminal and see something more visually appealing, our admin panel. Just visit the URL localhost/admin. Here you'll use the previously saved email and password from the installation process. Just insert the email and password to login form. And voila, here is our beautiful and, for now, empty admin panel.
As you can see, installation of Laravel and Craftable PRO is really a no-brainer. In the next video, I will introduce the core features of Craftable PRO that are already included in our newly created admin panel, so see you next time.